Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, enough time I hear me say Jamaica's a Netflix episode. All kind of episode, all kind of show up on Netflix, right? You have your dopey show them, your horror show them, you have your action show them, you have your comedy, you have your stand-up comedian specials. Today, I'm going to show you a video where this have to go fall in the Jamaica, believe it or not, section of Netflix. You know, like where you have Ripley's, believe it or not. Forget about Ripley's, a joke thing that. Ripley's and Mickey Mouse. This is Jamaica, believe it or not. I'm going to show you a video of a biker who look like a food him deliver. I'm going to show you what I do. You cannot make them things up. Now, you're creative, you cannot make this up.
What do you mean? You mean like, oh, you make up things to get views? Yes, people. And me, Simon. Me have to forward back. I know people that wonder how I did it. A full time now, I tell the true story. You see, I had to leave the Politricks watch team and go take on the job as chairman of the Vulture Squad. I decided to make the move after coming across a gruesome discovery. But telling you all the time, say all Sir P care about is views. Making up things to get views, bad minding scammers, fight against artists. I'm telling you that long time. But that did bad and not so bad. You know what else I find out? You know what really make me feel left? I'm going to turn chairman of the Vulture Squad. When we find out, oh, Sir P get views. You know how Sir P all I talk about? People not to go Haiti. And every minute I talk about Haiti, I go like my Haitian, I'm just busy about Haiti, be Haiti. I tell people, say, don't go up on a boat. You know why? So I say that, and because in business boat, no guns are coming to the country and no weed for go. I'm tell you why I'm no one. People go Haiti. Him no want nobody find out about him science man link over there. I get to find out a Sir P have a science link in a Haiti. Another science link they make him get their views. And when I find out and confront him, he might go tell me say, views is life. And because me have so much morals and values, I decide to no, can't work with this man anymore. I have to go join the Vulture Squad, a group that we know is rooted in morals and values. You ever ask yourself the question, why is it that members of the Vulture Squad who even get promoted by entertainers can't do the numbers them with Sir P do? You ever think about that yet? Or do you not realize that sometimes something that go down and 2 days after Sir P drop video about it, not even when topic happened, 2 days later, and him still get like 100,000 views in a one day? That's not normal for a Jamaican. Who does Sir P think he is? Logan Paul? Jake Paul? Why, him think him a Smarty? Right, him think him a Billy Joe? Don't look at Jamaican as both of them, especially I look at Jamaican who have the sheer audacity to go against some of the biggest celebrities in Jamaica. People are science. It's science. Let's be honest. Sir P videos are not even interesting. There's no real information in them. All them do is say the same thing every day. People, welcome back to Politics. This is Sir P. Same thing every single day. A science. The science man that hate him, no one nobody got hate him. Because people got hate him, might buck up at the science man and him think I get exposed. A science. People, join the Vulture Squad. An organization that is built around integrity. An organization that spends so much time telling you that all Sir P care about views. Even though we keep putting Sir P name in our titles for views, but don't worry about them things. Another set of people who want one about Sir P is the people them what they call Patreon Squad. I can't believe that people actually support Sir P on Patreon. Wanna think, sir, yes, Maddie? You know who you should take on the time to support? People like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and them and the Apple, Tim Cook. They say you for support. Why would not support Sir P? Why would not support? No, keep supporting these multi-trillion-dollar foreign companies who no business book. Sorry, I mean who really business about you, right? And don't support Sir P. All them care about his views. And I'm not even like say the views them real as science. You don't actually want to watch Sir P videos. But because the Haitian science man so good, it force you to click on the video. All you need want to watch it. All people who no like Sir P can't stop watch. Who no say a science. People that me the original Simon. Data shine like diamond. Me I give you the full info. Me expose everything. Me expose everything as science. How somebody if you go against some of the biggest entertainers and have a platform like this, it's not possible. Right? A white man alone can do them thing here. Chinese man. Right? Not no little old nigga. People please stop supporting Sir P. Him just care about views and bad minding scammers. Members the artist take him girl. As the chairman of the Volta Squad, me can speak for the entire organization. The reason why people in a Volta Squad no do what Sir P do it because them don't want to do it. They don't want the views. Sir P alone want views. That's all Sir P care about. And he will go to no extent. There's no limit. There's nowhere he wanna go. No, there's nothing he wanna do. To get 2 extra views. Please stop supporting Sir P. Turn to the Vulture Squad. We await your membership.
Well, apart from the quote-unquote expose of the science man of Haiti who are forced to watch the video them, I can confirm that my main thing is definitely to make up things to get views. Bad minds came and fight against artists and all of that. So really, all news, Simon I come with, but congrats on the appointment. Chairman of the Vulture Squad, you're doing well. Let me show you the video clip. Because as I said at the start, you can't make this up. Look on this. Now correct me if I'm wrong. Isn't that one of the youth them will deliver food? You know them ride the yang them and deliver food them all across the country. And the thing pan him back supposed to have food tonight. I don't know whether to give him credit, right, or if you ask him if he must not diet coke. I'm confused because on one hand he's clearly exceptionally talented. Right? This man is a stunt man. This youth, right, need for that Hollywood because if you do this, pan a yang with weight pan him back, breeze a blow, and him carry up on the road, extremely dangerous, but it take a lot of talent. But at the same time, no food the man supposed to deliver. We never see this yet. But even know this come me I wonder if I'm a music video scene or something. This can't be real life. You can't make this up. So what happened to the curry chicken, the oxtail, the chicken back, right, the ackee and the saltfish when the bag pan him back? When him reach film destination, or what them food they look like? Or just a case where him don't drop out the food him already and now the bag empty, so him they decide, you know what, after a good trip around the block, well, after collecting some money, a time to stunt. It's crazy still, but me I hope send a food never another bag there. Yeah. And now that's it drop on loop and, you know, me I hope say him not end up losing little work. The man them do them things right? You have to make up in the mind only they but you can't wheelie all you want around time when they don't work and them thing about. When it comes on to them delivery thing, right, better on just go A to B as safely and efficiently as possible, and when it don't work, you can go wheelie all you want. Right. The yang bike, one thing we can say about it, because we know say the yang kind of have, you know, some negative things attached to it because 87s tend to use them to carry out certain, you know, criminal acts, but the yang bike actually help youths to get employment. Enough of them youths to have them bike there, I start to ride and deliver food, and that's always a good thing. But I beg the man them those. Remember which part them there. Right? And stay focused, because a moment of idleness might make it end up back on the corner and have nothing to do. It's safe. It's spooky still. Even the video on loop, you can hear a woman like she's in complete shock. She never said that yet. And most foreign she come from. Or somebody never touch her up on her shoulder and tell her, say, on Netflix this. Forget about expectations. Anything can happen at any time. And you have to just shake it and say, well, it's another episode. Anyway, a lot of spooky things been happening. We talk about, tragedies every day. Sometimes I have to lighten it up. So, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, whole life. Culture squad, stay circling. Less.